Good afternoon friends and viewers and students, and today's topic is Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry. This is class 11 chapter. इसमें firstly we'll study about the coordinate axis and coordinate planes and coordinates of a point in space and octants and all formulas of three-dimensional geometry, and this is a table for the first sign conventions. So firstly I will explain about the coordinate axis. So firstly it is like two-dimensional coordinate axis में होता था आपका जैसे कि this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So this is the two axes. This is x dash and y dash. So this was like positive from here. It is positive and it is negative and it is negative, and this y-axis is on the upwards. It is positive. Upwards में positive है, downwards में negative है. तो इसमें थ्री डायमेंशनल में क्या होता है कि एक एक्सिस और ऐड हो जाता है, दैट इज द z एक्सिस. दिस इज थ्री डायमेंशनल and it is also positive in the topmost and it is also positive. Y axis is also same and axis is on the left side it is negative and right side it is positive. So this is also negative here and it is negative here downwards. Y axis का downwards और z axis का this is the third axis. This is known as z axis. So this is three dimensional geometry में there will be three axes: x axis, y axis and z axis. So how many planes are there? There will be three planes. Three planes will be there, and इसको आपको जैसे कि this is the first plane is like this. This is the first plane in this direction, and the second plane is like अगर हम इसमें से एक z axis भी निकाल देते हैं तो second plane will be this like this. And the third plane will be along this axis. This is the third plane. So three planes are there. Like थोड़ा सा ये हो गया. Then what is the coordinates of a point in space? So what are the coordinates of a point in the space? Is like अगर कोई point है axis जैसे कि this is the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and suppose here it is a point, let's say P point. तो इसका जो थ्री डायमेंशनल में अगर ये एग्जिस्ट करता है तो इसके कुछ x is the distance, positive distance from the x axis, and y is the distance from the y axis, and z is the distance from the z axis. Z axis से लेकर के यहाँ तक का distance है, that will be there, and this is a three dimensional point in the space. So इसके जो dimensions होंगे, x will be the distance from the x axis positive, मतलब यहाँ से पॉजिटिव मतलब ये राइट साइड से, लेफ्ट साइड इज नेगेटिव, दिस इज नेगेटिव एंड दिस इज पॉजिटिव. सो दिस इज द थिंग्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. एंड इन y axis also this is also positive upwards and downwards it is negative, and z axis will be negative and positive. So now what are the octants and how to really find the things like what are the octants, and I will explain it in the detail. And what are the formulas for the three dimensional? So there are two formulas for the like first it is the distance formula, which was earlier. If a point is p x y in the, this is the second two dimensional formula. तो इसमें क्या होता था कि डिस्टेंस जैसे p x y sorry a x1 y1 and b is x2 y2. So what is the distance AB? AB was equal to under root of x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. So this was the firstly it was in the two dimensional. Now three dimensional में जो formula हो जाएगा that will be a x1 y1 z1, b will be x2 y2 and z2. So what will the AB distance will be equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So ये फॉर्मूला जो है ना आपका सिर्फ एक z के कारण एक चेंज हो गया. This is because this z is coming here. On next formula is section formula. So जो section formula है section formula. So this is the section formula, and it was like if a point is suppose this is a line segment AB and it is having coordinates as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So the point this is suppose the point is P and it is having coordinates x comma y, and it is separate. It is intersecting at a point, and it is separating this AB into two parts, m in the ratio of m is to n. It is dividing this line in the ratio of m is to n. So x coordinate क्या हो जाते थे हमारे? x coordinate हो जाता था m into x2, ये वाला इधर जाएगा m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n, and y was equal to m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. So इसमें हमें एक पॉइंट और, अब थ्री डायमेंशनल में क्या होगा? We will be given like 2 points like p x1, y1 and z1, and q will be x2, y2 and z2. So इसका जो हमारा इस डिवाइडिंग इनटू दिस पॉइंट इज सपोज ये a है और ये b है, और p पॉइंट इज डिवाइडिंग p having x y z. तो x और y का तो ये आ ही गया हमारे पास. अब हमें सिर्फ z का वैल्यू निकालनी होती है. तो z की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? m into z2, m into z2 plus n into z1 divided by m plus n. So this is the addition of this two dimensional में ये एडिशन हो गया है. z का एक एडिशन हो गया फॉर्मूले में, और यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला भी थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया. Now I will tell you about the sign convention of the octants. Like first octant is there and it is having positive. यहाँ पे आप पॉजिटिव लिख दीजिए, यहाँ पे आप पॉजिटिव लिख दीजिए और यहाँ भी पॉजिटिव लिख दीजिए. तो ये नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव. यहाँ से ये सेकंड, यहाँ से सेकंड, यहाँ से भी पॉजिटिव, यहाँ से भी पॉजिटिव, ये भी नेगेटिव और ये भी नेगेटिव. सो दिस इज पॉजिटिव एंड दिस इज पॉजिटिव एंड 4 आर पॉजिटिव हियर एंड 4 आर नेगेटिव हियर. सो इस तरह से आपको याद करना है, जैसे कि फर्स्ट इज पॉजिटिव, सेकंड इज नेगेटिव, 2 आर नेगेटिव एंड 2 आर पॉजिटिव, 2 आर नेगेटिव, 1 इज पॉजिटिव. सो दिस इज 1 1 ऐसे से आपको याद करना है इसको. तो ये इसका स्ट्रक्चर है, इसका साइन कन्वेंशन फॉर द octants. Now I will tell you about the octants, what are, how you determine the octants. So octants के लिए मैं प्रैक्टिकली आपको पूरा सिखा दूंगा, समझा दूंगा सबको, ठीक है. So we'll just get back.